Hi, to delete not needed watch faces on Google Pixel Watch free, all you have to do is to press and hold your current watch face to find this edit mode and then go through the list by swiping left or right and simply find watch face you wanna remove from this list. Let's say I wanna remove this one. For that, I need to simply swipe it up. And now it's gone. Let me show you it again. Swipe up till the end. And now this watch face is deleted. If you want to do this through your phone, then open this Pixel Watch app and make sure that your watch is connected to the app. And then all you have to do is to find this tab Watch Faces. Here, you'll need to tap this pen icon for editing. And now, near each of the watch face, you can see this recycle bin, which you can tap to remove watch face. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.